Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm not using my GoPro right now, but alright, so these are the things that I use to make my video, to record my video, to edit my video. So in the future, I want to get one of these cameras because just a ton of reasons. It just, you know, but anyways, let's get back to what I got. Alright, so we're gonna start with the GoPro. This is the Hero 5 season. You can go under 33 feet water with the camera, so it's waterproof. It is 4K 30, so your output on videos can be transformed into 4K. And 10 MP, which is, I don't know what the MP stands for. But this camera right here is waterproof. Okay. And it comes, you could go on your GoPro app and edit your videos. This is the type of charger it comes with. So don't lose it, or you have to go buy it. You buy one, alright, and you open this little piece. Ta-da! And you will charge it right here. You'll plug it into there. You will plug it into right there, okay? So this is my second one, my second card, because this is only 4 gigabytes and the one that's in the camera right now is 32. So you take your little micro SD card out, okay? And that is what goes in the camera, okay? I usually use mine out because it's kind of hard. Boom. There you go. And then you can use your nail. Pop that thing out. Take this out. You go like this. Bloop. Plug that thing in your computer. GoPro is really simple to use. As you can see in the back, it has what you could do. If you hold the button for 3 seconds, you're going to turn it to picture. If you just press it, you're going to be recording. And this little button turns it on. Okay. But I do not have my SIM card in there. So, because it's... What else comes, or you have to buy it, with the GoPro that I have, is the 3-way grip arm tripod, So this is awesome. You could just take off the camera and you could just put it on the tripod, or you could have it on here and have the tripod come out of there. As you can see what I have right now. I will open this for you. Okay. And voila, you could have that standing up like that. And you put your camera right in there, and you clip it out, boom. So to be honest, the GoPro is a really awesome camera. So if you like the camera, then you could just go in the description and I'll have a link where you could buy the camera. So go down, scroll down, check that out if you really want to buy one. Now let's get into what kind of program I use to edit my videos. And I believe I spent almost $100 on it. So this Power Director 16 Ultra is my video program that I have. It came with some bonus software, so I could download that, and I got this at Best Buy. And the #1 choice for video editors. You could do 360 video, 3D, HEVC, H.265. You could speed up, and it's on a 64-bit Ultra HD 4K. That means you could produce the video and export the video in 4K. That's what I was just talking about. XAVCS, and this is made in Taiwan. Let's give this a open up. Alright. So we have a whole bunch of stuff that you can read here. Alright. You can create movies, family movies fast. because you could just have a timeline and drag and drop, and you can do easy multicam editing. Haven't done this yet. Color match your clips. Produce, burn, and share. So this is the main thing that I click on, which is timeline mode, and you edit your video through there. But you could do story mode, and then you could do slideshow. So that's that, and you can export it right to YouTube, so you don't have to save to your computer and then upload, and you export it right to Facebook too. So it's really good. There's True 360 video editing. Alright, you can import and produce 360 videos, and as you can see, he's wearing the goggles, you know. Alright, 360 video stabilization, titles, pips, view design. Alright, unique travel showcases, dynamic video collages, and even more ways to customize your videos, as in transitions, titles, picture-in-picture, themes, masks, and menu. You also have a one-click color enhancement, where it's literally one click away. And I don't know how to get the mobile version, which I really want to, so I need to figure out what that is. Thrilling action highlight. You got the action camera center. You got the creative video blending. I get no fish. I don't know. I don't know what they did there. Can you see the difference? You got pro color grading. Okay. Extreme render performance. So this is our rendering performance right here. That's what it's enhanced for. See, my computer that I have that broke, well, I'm using my sister's computer right now, but my computer that I had Radeon graphics. So, and GeForce is where you could update your graphics card too, by the way, online. And the True Velocity 7 brings faster video previewing and rendering than ever before. Let's unblur that real quick. Alright, so I really hope that you guys got some info from this, but this is just some basic stuff that I use for my every video making. And if you want me to make a video of how I actually edit videos, then comment down below. And hey, I hope that gives you some idea and thought on what to get if you want to start a YouTube channel, or if you want to upgrade from what you have. So yeah, so peace out, stay positive. It's TF, it's Tallfrenchy, it's True Facts. Have a wonderful day.